Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video is going to explain how to do written practice digitally, okay? First things first, if you go to Lessons here, and let's say we're going to Lesson 69, because I think that's the one you're supposed to do today. If you go to Written Practice right here, you can pull up this template, which is in Word. So for me, I pull it up, I open it, I enable editing, and you can literally, for me, I can write on it. You can also, I think, if you have draw in your ribbon, you can also insert a text box. So just insert a text box and you can move it around. Let's see if it'll let me move it around. Let's not do that. That was not smart. Okay. How can we type here? Can I type there? Can I move this? Oh, good. See, you can type your name and you can type the lesson and then you come down here and you type there. So you just have to move your mouse. My bad. I have it on draw. So, but definitely type your name in the lesson. Make sure that you're saving this. So File, Save As, OneDrive, Math, and then save it as the lesson that it is. If you save it as Written Practice Template, then you won't know which lesson it is that you need to submit. Okay, so let's close that and go back here. So once you have that completed on your screen, you should have Submit over here, and you can choose the file. Okay, well, Mrs. Ross, where do I get the digital textbook? So that's going to be right here where it says Saxon Math Course 2 ebook if you don't have your book at home. And let's see if we can't figure out what will make this large. Yay. And I don't know. Let's just type in 500 and see what happens. See where we get. So this is lesson 67, so we're getting close. 68. Let's see. That's 69. So the first page of written practice for lesson 69 is going to be on page 507. If you want to write that down somewhere. But that's how you do written practice digitally. And you can do that anytime, even when we're not on snow days. So if you have any questions, please let me know.